Welcome back to my channel. It's Crown Vick back with another video, and today I wanted to show you guys my hair. I've been using this hair and body butter that I made about a week ago, and I'm putting my hair since Monday. Today is Friday, so it's almost been a week. It's been about 5 days, and I put it in my hair twice. So, or it was Sunday or Monday I started putting it in my hair, and it's been pretty great. I want to show you the texture. So this is how it's been, like about 5 days, and this is the texture of it. Really smooth and creamy. Why are you crying? My cat's crying for some reason. She's such a baby. She's so spoiled. Yeah, so I've been putting this on my scalp, and I've been putting it on my hair. And I just want to tell you guys how it feels in my hair. My scalp, it does great, but if I wait probably like 4 days, my hair gets a little like dry, and so I have to wash my hair again. And I probably have to wash my hair because this is like day 4 with it in, and I haven't put the cream in it anymore, so I do need to reapply it. And I'm just putting some on my fingers to unravel the braids. I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like using this hair and body butter. I'm gonna take it out and talk to you guys a little bit. So overall, my hair is super moisturized. It has basically every oil that I need in there, and I just put it in my hair, and I also put it on my body too. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if my skin looks more radiant right now. I've used it a couple times and it feels great. Just don't put too much because it's really I don't want to say greasy, but it is. I put too much oil in the body butter. So if you decide to watch the video, I'll link it in the cards. And if you want it less greasy, which I recommend, just add less oil, probably 1 to 2 tablespoons in there. But you do need to put more oil than shea butter, because if you don't, it will be a whipped shea butter. It won't be a body cream. It won't be creamy, or it won't be a body butter. It'll be a whipped butter. It'll be more light and fluffy versus like that creamy texture. So it just depends on what kind of texture you want, and if you want something whipped or you want it more creamy and buttery. So I feel like these braids are perfect for hair growth and during quarantine, especially if you're not doing anything and you want your hair to grow out. And just in case you want to do your hair or do like a cute style, it's perfect for that because it's nice and moisturized. And if you want it to be more defined, all you gotta do is wet it a little bit and put some hair cream or some gel, and you can have a totally different style. But I call this like just like a braid up. Well, so before I put this in for like a prep, before you put your styling things in, you always need a leave-in conditioner and some type of oil. So this is the perfect prep for your style. So you can wear these braids for a couple days, and when you finally feel like styling your hair, you can just put a styling product in, and your styling time will go down. But I'm looking in my mirror like, this is crazy moisturized. Like, look at this braid out. You can just leave it like this, but if you like your natural curl pattern, you can definitely wet it a little bit and put some styling cream in it. Like, look at this freaking moisture. Super moisturized. And I want to see if this makes my hair longer. So right now, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, I'm a small YouTuber, don't have no monitor that I could be like, oh yeah, it's perfect. No, I'm just trying to, can you see? It's right here. So this is waist. My hair is waist length. And guys, my hair was not always like this. In middle school, high school, my hair was shoulder length forever. So I want to show you guys how my hair looked before this, because it wasn't always long. It did take me a while to get this down that I can actually sit here and help my hair get longer. It would grow, but it would just stay here for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know how that can happen. How your hair grows but just stays the same length forever. I don't know why that happens, but I found a way to help my hair get past these shoulders and this collarbone. So here's how my hair looks. It's a nice quick video. So for my last video, for my hair growth, it grew 3 inches in 2 weeks. So I want to see how long my hair gets now. So how I measured it, the last video that I measured it, I believe my hair was 21 inches down here. So I'm down this way, so it was 21 inches, and the top was 20, I believe. So next week, after that, the next week, so this Monday will be 1 week, and the week after that, that Monday, I'll measure my hair again and see if this body cream helped my hair growth. So you guys will see that. I just want to give you an update to see how well the body hair and body butter works, and I can show you how it works on my body too. So see, like my arm or something, I'm just gonna grab a little bit. You do not need a lot, so it's a little bit. Grab it in my hands. And you can see how shiny and moisturized my skin is just from that little bit. You don't need a lot at all. And especially for your hair, either if you're heavy-handed with products, your hair will stay greasy for about 2 days, and you'll need to wrap your hair twice so your pillow won't get greasy. So you need like a scarf and a bonnet, or 2 scarves and a bonnet, something, so your hair, so you won't get that little grease spots all over your pillow, because that's gross, and you'll get breakouts on your skin. So yeah, I'll let this soak in before I lay in my sheets and stuff, but it'll soak in pretty easily if you don't put a lot. So I barely put anything, less than a dime size, and this will last you months and months and months. And you can put whatever flavor you want. I decided to put peppermint, so because peppermint is known to help with regrowth of the hair and help stimulate the scalp so you can regrow your hair. So that's what it is. Like, you get little tinglies if you, hold on, I need to stop doing that. So if you suffer from hair loss, or you have a lot of fallouts, like I have a lot of sheddage. I've been suffering from sheddage for a while now, probably like a year. It's not as bad as it used to be, but I do still have sheddage. And you can see that my hair is growing back. You see this like little piece of hair that's growing. It's so small. I don't know if you can see this. Let me show you. See how small that is? And my hair is super long. So that's from the rice water, that's from the peppermint. My hair is regrowing, so it's a little bit thin. Well, people might be like, oh, your hair's thick. This is thin to me, how it used to be, you know? So it is regrowing. So when it gets super long, like the ends will be a little bit thinner, and then I'll have the thickness. So I think I'm not gonna get discouraged. I know it's gonna look great, right? So, all right, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. Of course, you can leave it like this. I wear my hair like this all the time. Nothing wrong with it. A nice braid out is super cute. I mean, nice and simple. You don't have to do all that extra stuff to get a cute hairstyle. I'm a simple, lazy natural, so anything that's fast and easy it's gonna work for me. And if you're like that, this is the channel to subscribe to. Okay guys, that concludes my video for today. I just wanted to show you how it works in the hair, and also a little bit on the body, how moisturized your body gets with a little tiny amount. You don't need that much. Okay, if you guys haven't seen the video about how to make the homemade hair and body butter, please check that out, and I will see you next video. All right, have a great night or day whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you next video.